Hi everyone. So welcome to day 42. This is the sixth week. We are on the verge of completion of 6 week and we have built a strong application as well. So now let's get back to the Jira and track what the tasks are pending for today and what need to be started. So you can see we are in the backend development in the testing phase of using the PyTest. We have tested using the that thing, what's it called? Uh, Postman. Now in the PyTest, what we will do? We will do the comments API testing. So let's start with the in progress. And after that, deadline is tomorrow. And then after that, we have 2 days. So we will try to see what other things can be done. So in the notification API, yesterday we were doing this thing. So let's build new test file for it. And that will known as test comment API. Now that will require comment API as well. And let's say we want one of these things. Now instead of get auth error, we will what we do, we will do comments. Let's say it should be comments. Yeah, it is comment. So this will work. After this, I want us to get success. Then we will pass auth headers. And here should be HEADR headers equals to auth headers JSON. And now for this we require a conf test to create the posts API. So again, similarly we will create a post. Post ID. That should have some user ID as well connected. So that will have actually post page caption. So let's see the models as well. What need to be there? Lights, post image, by default this should be 0. With the user, or user equals to test user. Sorry, just pass with the test user, and this should be test user dot id. Just give some image caption anything. This is a test image. So this will work, I guess. And now we have to pass test user. But ideally, what we should send, we should send post. It should be post ID because comment should be based on post ID. Similarly here, so now let's see. CD backend source vnv slash bin slash activate and then comment. Yes, both will, this will still be correct, but this should throw an error. Why? So if you ask me why, you can see. Instead of notification, it should be comment. So basically, it is throwing error, and it is because we have created post, and that is not generated because we have deleted the user. So we have to see this error here. How to use this? So we will see. Okay, this is taking for a different thing. So let me do this thing. Now, error it stays with this is this one. I think this. I guess this should provide. It is getting the same error because of the in-memory database in the PyTest. So we know these things are working during the comment APIs in the Postman, as you know. But there are few things I need to show in the comments dot comment API file. So this should be not user ID but post ID because comments are based on post, not on based on users. Again, we haven't checked here. validating the input. How if not post ID? Return message post ID required for 400. Similarly, it will be for page and it will be for per page. Now, after these things are there, we will use post ID equals to post ID. Then it will be there. Now, these are the things that need to be done here. So we have almost tested all the things for our APIs, and we can test using the request.get as well. So we will do that thing later on. And now we can mark this as in progress to done. And also I found something in the notification in the notification API. So let me show you. I have made a, just added this. Because of this will run as well. So both will be running. See, both passed. Now for this notification API, if it's returning this, it must return this. As a tuple. See, it passed. Now you know what the actual thing it is happening here. So I am leaving the comment for now, and we will start with the GitHub command from tomorrow and understand. We will make a repository for the GitHubs, and I will make that a private repo. Hope you will enjoy that too. And instead of that, let's make this Git and GitHub. I will let you know how to upload it from uh, terminals and how to use it. So in that task, creating a repository and understanding Git commands, sending codes to the repo. So now this is a task again. and it will be added in the, it will be assigned to Avneet. The only person is there is me. So what are the things that is actually required in the Git and GitHub? So GitHub is one of the tool that is used to create a repository of your code. So you can think in style of as a backpack where you store the things, but that are also limited with all the resources, what amount you can store. So those are things, and with the period of time you will understand why we use it, how it will help. So when were learning, we will be learning the deployment about the application. It will help in creating the CI/CD pipeline. So what is CI/CD? CI/CD is nothing but continuous integration and continuous deployment. So let's say I want to add one feature or I want to change something. So that can be done. I have changed in the pipeline and that change is reflected in the code itself. So those things are related in the Git and GitHub. We will set up for backend and then we will set up for front end as well. I hope you have understood this. Sorry. So now, so now let's pack this up and we will come back tomorrow with the get more of the topics and discuss this in a bit more fashion. Thank you and have a nice day.